Here we have a video clip on our timeline. Now we're gonna color grade this video. Color grading and color correction are two different things. Color correction is correcting the colors so that it would appear like it was recorded naturally with the same colors, because sometimes the video could be underexposed, overexposed, or like having a lower brightness or having different colors than it was in the real situation. Color correction is basically correcting that, but in color grading we are enhancing the colors. We are making colors appear more vibrant. Let's do color grading on this video. Go to the effects panel, go to the lumetri presets, choose one of these and then drag one of these to the timeline. And then we have to click on this button to reset this effect. This is because this is a preset. This is basically having a certain color profile added to this preset. We can also open up the lumetri color window, but we can basically do everything from these effects, so we don't have to do that. If you want to open up the lumetri color window, you have to go to the window and then choose lumetri color from this. Now from basic correction, we can correct the colors in the video as we want. Temperature and tint are there to correct the white balance of the video, and we have the exposure, and we can change the contrast of the video, and we have highlights which controls the brightest part of the image, and these whites control these white regions in the video, and blacks control these black regions. So we can use these features to give basic correction to our video. We can also increase the saturation of the video using this, and here we can see the difference after basic correction. And here we also have a auto button which gives us a basic correction automatically. And then we can go to this creative tab. We can use these features to make our video look even better. We can also add a faded film to our video if you want, and also we can sharpen our video and also increase the vibrance a little bit. And here we can use these color wheels to change the color of specific parts like shadows. And then if you go to these curves, these represent white regions and these represent the black regions. We can add markers to these spots and then use this to change the look of our video. And then we can use these color wheels to change the colors of our video like shadows, midtones and highlights. And also we can use these toggles to increase or decrease the brightness of these specific shadows, midtones and highlights. But I'm not going to use that in here. In HCL secondary, we can choose a specific color in the video and change that color only. For example, if I click on this pen tool to get this set color and then press Ctrl to get a wider region of colors, and then click on this, here we can see that our color profile is set. And if you click on this show mask, you can see the regions which are selected from this color. I think this is not enough, so I'm going to click on this add color and then add even more color to this region. And we can use this remove color button to remove any colors, unnecessary colors that are added to our video. And then we can use this blur to make our selection look better, and then we can use these correction tools to fix that specific color. Here we have the result.